How to show file size in Dropbox. So first I will go ahead and open up my folder which I have my files in. Right here, this one. Now I have three files right here. So if you want to go ahead and see the file size, come here, hover over the file, and you will see these three dots. Click on it for more options. Just come here and click on File Info, and you'll be able to see all the file information, including name, the size is right here. If you want to see the size of the other files and you don't want to do this each time for every single file, all you need to do is select the other file. So let me uncheck this, select this one. Now I can see the file size right here. Come here and I can also see the file size. And it's really that easy and simple, guys.